So when we have a shop like this and we have prices in a certain currency, you can activate another currency by putting in a price list. There are two price lists, Euro and the public price list, and I just switched to the Euro. Let's take a quick look at where the Euro price list can be activated. This is the backend. It's not in the incognito as where the shop is loading. So we're going to go search for price lists and pick up the price list. And these are all the price lists that are available. The public one is in the USD, and we can call it the USD, and let's call it the B2 consumer. That's the public price list. There's some mappings of these price lists to websites as well, so this can be further experimented with. Let's just not limit this price list to anything, and then there's the Euro price list, which is also selected for the KN shop, and let's take a look at what happens. So over here, we're just going to reload the whole thing and just reload the page, and we are expecting the two price lists to appear here, which would be USD consumer and Euro price list. So this is how we can get two prices on the same website, price currencies on the same website. And one of the things that can further be tested is if these currency price lists have an exchange rate on them as well. Let's in fact go ahead and test that out. That if we can test a certain exchange rate quickly, we're not able to find one where pricing rules are set up. A certain product, certain variant, minimum quantity, and certain price. It would be nice to have a currency exchange rate, which is something that can further be investigated.